Tuesday's precise and important news. So far, 2,220 Afghans have been released from Pakistani prisons. The Afghan consul in Karachi, Pakistan says that 2,220 Afghans have been released from the Karachi and Sindh prisons so far and repatriated at the expense of the Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan. 68 more soldiers of National Defense graduated from Joint Combat Training Command. Ministry of National Defense says 68 soldiers graduated from Command of Joint Combat Training in a ceremony after receiving professional training. Efforts are underway to expand trade ties with other countries. Acting Minister of Industry and Commerce says that Afghanistan currently has good trade relations with Russia, China, Uzbekistan, Kazakhstan, Tajikistan, and Turkmenistan. Nuruddin Azizi adds that efforts are underway to expand trade ties with other countries. ANSA returns imported fuel to Iran due to quality issues. 16 fuel tankers carrying low-quality diesel and petrol were refused entry into Afghanistan and turned back to Iran in Farah province by the Afghanistan National Standards Authority. UN Food Agency says 800 million urgently needed for Afghanistan. The UN Food Agency said on Monday that it urgently needs $800 million for the next 6 months to help the needy people in Afghanistan. General Director of Passport Department met with the Ambassador of Uzbekistan, Maulavi Abdul Karim Hasib. The General Director of Passport Department met with the Ambassador of Uzbekistan to Afghanistan, Khwaja Shad Muniv, and his accompanying delegation.